feedback दोगे, accordingly I will design future courses and things. और बताओ आपको ओवरऑल फीडबैक कैसा लगा? वर्कशॉप में कोई दिक्कत आई है लैंग्वेज वाइज, कोई फीडबैक कुछ इम्प्रूव करना है? दैट आई एम ओके विद इट. जी, सर ज्योति जी, महेश्वरी जी, मोहिनी मैम, then we will close it. Yes sir.
Yes, sir. No, sir. The session was really great, and you actually taught us so very well. No, that at each and every point you were making sure that we are doing it well or not, and if we are stucking anywhere, you were there, just there, and then that you share your screen. That was the best thing about this workshop, FDP.
I'm always after that also I'm with you also. After that also, because since you have already completed your PhD, after this if we want to work together, we can work together. But हाँ, जो PhD scholars हैं, उनके लिए मेरा जो है मैंडेट दूसरा है. मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि आप अपनी PhD पूरा करो. इस वक्त सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपनी गाइड की मानो, और जब आपका PhD हो जाएगा तब हम कुछ साथ पेपर करने के लिए लिखेंगे, क्योंकि इस वक्त आपका टाइम बड़ा क्रूशियल है, बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो अभी आप अपने फोकस करो अपने गाइड के साथ. ये मेरा फोकस है. और मेरे को मुझसे कोई भी हेल्प चाहिए, यू कैन हैव टेकन हेल्प फ्रॉम मी रिगार्डिंग एनी ऑफ योर एनालिसिस पार्ट, कैलकुलेशन पार्ट और एनी डाउट्स. मैं हर मंथ में एक सेशन तो रखता ही हूँ, और अब आने वाले दिनों में आई एम गोइंग फॉर द स्ट्रक्चर इक्वेशन मॉडलिंग एज पर फीडबैक्स आर देयर. तो ज्योति जी, आपका कोई फीडबैक?
Yes, sir. The session is really very nice. It was a great learning, sir. And in this session, we learned these very basic things of R, which will in near future.
वॉइस इको कर रहा है आपका, शायद दो चीजों से चल रहे हैं, एक चीज.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ. Now you can say.
Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. The session is very nice, and it was a great learning that in this session we have learned very basic things of R, which will put a foundation to have more study about, to explore more about R and to imply the tools of R in our research.
That is our mandate also. That's our focus with that one. तो हम यही चाहते हैं. आने वाले दिनों में मैं इकोनॉमेट्रिक्स को प्लान करता हूँ, स्ट्रक्चर इक्वेशन मॉडलिंग को प्लान करता हूँ. यू जॉइन देयर आल्सो. वी विल डेफिनेटली वर्क हेल्प यू आउट. एंड महेश्वरी मैम, एनी योर फीडबैक?
Sir, first of all, I would like to thank you so much for taking this workshop for us, because we have attended many FDPs before, but this one-on-one kind of a session was really helpful, because whatever doubts we have, it's easy for us to understand by your explanations. So thank you so much for taking this kind of session for us. And sir, again, as Jyoti said, like this is the basic things that we learned in R, and we would like to learn further for our analysis. In fact, yesterday I was talking to you for working on research papers, like for structural equation modeling and further analysis using AI models and all, how this R can be taken forward. And if you conduct any session for that, we would definitely pitch in and join the session, sir. So if you can think something about that, would be grateful. So thank you so much again, sir. And so one question I have, and the thing is, the packages that we are downloading, right? So for instance, you're saying car sales or the CSV, whatever file that we have. So this is something that you have provided us. Say for instance, if I have my own file where I'm working in the behavioral finance area, and it's about stock and investors behavioral attributes and things like that. So how do I know we have to rename, but how will I sort of use it in R? Like, is there any that I can use it? Or, yeah.
See, two things to it. First of all, your file, your data would be either in Excel file or CSV file, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's say your data would be large, so you make it a CSV file.
Okay.
Right? So you have already installed in your laptop. You have already installed GDAR. You have already installed GDAR, right? So your data must have any file. your data must have any file name. Let's say
Okay.
XYZ.
Okay.
xyz.csv.com, right? This is, let's say, your file name, right?
Okay.
You must have put it on your feed, on your desktop.
Right.
So once you put it on desktop, you just do the same thing what you have done for Excel file. Go to read text,
Hmm.
import the file, import file will automatically be there.
Okay.
One thing.
So whenever I read it or put a command, I'll put my file name, right? Like as you did, like for demo.
Like for demo. Like
Okay.
for
Okay.
demo, for
Yeah.
demo CSV, demo text, demo SAV, we have imported. We have already imported all three files. This is
Right.
one part of your answer. Second is type of calculation, right? For
Okay.
type of calculation, let's say you want to do a time series analysis.
Hmm.
For that, you have to see the seasonality, right? Then on basis of seasonality and these things, you decide those things. For that, we will take a 7 day workshop for you.
Okay.
So now you are in a position, whenever I take that workshop, you will know what is package, how to download a package, and how to import the file, and how to add a command.
Right.
So you have all the first stage. Now, if you join some other workshop also, now you
Right.
don't you need to know only two things. Number one, what kind of packages they are using, and second,
Hmm.
how they are doing the commands. Rest you are aware of now.
Right.
So
Yes, sir.
the path is very clear now. Whatever you want to learn, you know very well how R works, what is R Studio is all about, and
Hmm.
how to do this analysis. This is a one part of question answer,
Right.
right? And second part is, let's say still you face a challenge on programming part, or on a little bit part of you don't want to you want some GUI interface on R where you import the data and press the button and get the results, right? A limited way, there is a blue sky statistics software. Blue Sky statistics software, you can use it. It's a free of cost. It is on R only. It is just like an SPSS,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So that's a software. Once you download it from, it is free of cost. These are free of cost videos. You can easily perform the test, which you can do it.
Excellent, sir.
That's the other part of this question answer. And what about and for structure equation modeling, like in my this up to multiple regression, what I have done is I have put an add, and I have done commands, just lm command, dependent variable, independent variable, and I just put a add on a variable and done a multiple regression, right? Similarly, in structure equation modeling, if you know your structural model, you have to write only 3 steps. Your answer would be in 3 steps. Now, if whenever I conduct a structure equation modeling workshop, I will for you guys, you know how to import data, how to write programs. You just understand how I am creating a variables, constructs, and how I am doing it. It's a very simple 3-4 steps. You get it done. For initial level, for where you need to have a structural determination model or the other models. As far as higher model is concerned, for that also you need to learn R. For RMS, SCA and all that, for higher calculations you need to learn R. अब आप इस बेसिस पे आ गए हो, अब आप जितना भी सीखोगे, अब आपको you know how things are working. So I think so there should not be problem. Otherwise हम तो हैं ही है, हर मंथ में एक बार हम कंडक्ट करते हैं वर्कशॉप, और अब मैं पूरा जब एक बार वेबसाइट बन जाएगी, then I will conduct it in a broader way. और जो मेरा मार्केटिंग होगा to be more broader, you will get my all information. और what I will do is I will make some WhatsApp group also, क्योंकि मेरा हर मंथ एक WhatsApp ग्रुप बनता है, तो इतने WhatsApp ग्रुप हो गए मेरे को खुद ही मैनेज करना मुश्किल होता है. बट आई विल मेक समथिंग, एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाऊंगा जिसमें सभी लोगों यूजर्स को रखेंगे और उनके क्वेरीज को सॉल्व करेंगे. ऐसा भी कुछ करने वाला हूँ, बट उसको थोड़ा सा टाइम और चाहिए. आई विल डेफिनेटली रिजॉल्व इट. ठीक है जी, कुछ और क्वेश्चन है तो बताओ.
No, sir, you did answer all the questions that we had. In fact, we will work on, since we have all the records, I think we need to practice more. And if any questions pop up, then we should contact you for sure. I'm sure you would be able to help us out.
I am just a message away from you.
Thank you so much, sir.
It's a pleasure to have working with you all guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Closer.
Thank you,
I
sir.
will
It
send
was
you
a
a
great learning, sir.
same here. Thank you, ji.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Have a good day, sir. Bye, sir.
Good night. Thank you.
Good night.
Good night, sir. Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.